Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm sharing this very simple and easy makeup look for those who wear glasses, but also you can wear this makeup without glasses. So let's start the video, but before starting it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. So starting off with, I'm taking this NY Bay, the big apple of my eye kajal, and I'm just tight lining the upper lash line. Then I'm taking same kajal and applying it as an eyeliner. I have already done the base and the eyebrows, and even I have two separate videos over that. If you want to know how you can easily do your eyebrows and how you can get this base, I will leave the link for the videos in the description box. You can check it out. After this, I'm taking a small pencil brush and just blending the kajal on my eyelids. I'm just blending it from inside to outward, and then from the corner of my eyes I will just blend it inward side. Now when you wear glasses, your eyes are the center of attraction, and for that purpose you need to go little overboard with your eyes. But this is a very simple eye makeup. I'm just going with a smoky eyeliner. I've also done this kind of eyeliner in my previous videos also. So you just want to make your eyes more better so that they are visible from your glasses also. Now whatever product is left on the pencil brush, I am applying it on the lower lash line, joining it with the upper one, and I am applying it just till 1/3 of my eyes. So now I am taking a brown shade and I am just applying it over my eyelids to create a little hint of color over there. You can even do this step before applying the kajal. Now I'm taking this Stay Quirky black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I will be applying a very small and thin winged eyeliner. Now if you find really difficulty in applying eyeliner, I have a video over this, how easily you can apply an eyeliner. It is especially for those who are beginner with this. So I will leave the link in the description box, so do check it out. For mascara, I'm using the Lakme Iconic mascara, and I'm applying it on my both upper and lower lashes. If you want to wear falsies, you can, but this is a very simple look for glasses, so you can skip that also. But if you have, or if you want, you can definitely go for lashes. Now just highlighting the inner corners and the brow bones. So this is the final look. So this was all for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you want any specific look that I should create, then do comment below. And this was all for this video. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.